Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to automatically add a signature to your reply and forwarded emails in Gmail. These small steps add a polished professional touch to every message. Let's get started. First, open your Gmail account on your computer. Then, in the top right corner, click the gear icon. This is your settings. Once it opens, choose See All Settings from the drop-down to access the full settings page. Next, make sure you're in the General tab and scroll down carefully until you reach the signature section. It might be a bit further down, so take your time and scroll down until you see it. Now, click the Create New button. A small pop-up will appear asking you to name your signature. Type in the name, for example, work signature or personal, especially if you use different ones for different situations. Then click Create to move further. In the large text area provided, go ahead and type out your actual signature. You can include your full name, job title, contact number, website, or any important info you want the recipient to see. You can also format the text, adjust the font, change the colors, and customize it based on your preferred need. Now, scroll a bit more until you see the section labeled on reply/forward use. Click the drop down next to it and select the signature you just created. This ensures Gmail adds it automatically whenever you reply or forward an email. Finally, don't forget to scroll down to the bottom and click the Save Changes. Without these steps, your new signature won't be applied. It's so crucial. And there you have it, guys. Your personalized signature will now appear in every reply and forwarded message, giving your emails a consistent professional edge. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.